YouTubers, my name is Seb. This is Seb's Supercar. In this video I'm going to be discussing another typical problem with the Ferrari 360, and it's the failure of the F1 pump relay. So I was out for a drive with my wife. It was a lovely day, just leisurely drive, not pushing the car too much, and I started to hear a whine from the engine compartment, almost like an alarm siren, you know, like a long sustained beep or whine, and it wouldn't go away, but it would stop every time I changed gears. So it made me a little nervous. Went on to F-Chat, and one of the suggestions from one of the other members was that your F1 pump relay can fail, which is actually pretty typical and common occurrence. And the whining that I was hearing was the F1 pump just constantly pressurizing. So in this video, I'm going to replace the F1 pump relay. I ordered the replacement F1 pump relay. The original F1 pump relay, which is prone to burning out, was 30 amps. The Challenge Stradale version of the Ferrari 360 has a 50 amp F1 pump relay. However, you can't do a straight exchange because the pin configurations are different. Ricambi America sells a 40 amp upgraded version of the same F1 pump relay. So I ordered that one, and it's straight plug and play. It's only $30. So now that I have it, I parked the car in the garage in a way that I can have access, and we're going to go replace it. Access to the F1 pump relay is behind the seat on the right-hand side of the car. There's a carpeted panel. You just need to remove 5 screws to get access to it. This being a left-hand drive car, we're in North America, it's behind the passenger seat. If you happen to have a right-hand drive car, it would be behind the driver's seat. There's 5 number 2 Phillips screws that we need to remove. Now that we've got the 5 screws removed, the panel just easily lifts off, and the F1 pump relay is located right here. Now to remove it, you might need a flathead screwdriver just to pry it out a little bit. I've already done that. It just pulls right off. This is the new one. Find the same configuration. It's just a matter of plugging it right back in. Now we just put the panel back on and just screw in each of the 5 screws. Now that we've got the F1 pump relay installed, I'm out for a quick test drive. Make sure everything's functioning properly. I don't hear the whining sound, but then again, it was intermittent. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend, so I'm gonna enjoy the car, drive it all weekend long, make sure everything's addressed. As usual, thanks so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, so you can see more content from me and my adventure with this beautiful Ferrari 360 Modena. Take care.